I'm working in Malaysia, Selangor. I work in a non-Muslim company's store. My boss doesn't give me time for prayers. I have rest time at 12 p.m. If I pray Dhuhr Salah at 12 p.m., that is 12 noon, and Asr Salah at 3 p.m., is it right or wrong? Please let me know. Brother Ariful Islam Rubel from Bangladesh, he is working in Selangor, Malaysia. He is working in a non-Muslim company store, and he says that the owner of the company, since he is a non-Muslim, he does not allow him to pray or does not give him time to pray. So he has a rest time at 12 o'clock. So can he pray Dhuhr at 12 o'clock and Asr time? He has another time at 3 o'clock. Can he pray Asr at 3 o'clock? Number one, I'm living in Malaysia, and let me tell you that most of the non-Muslim companies, almost all, they do give time for the Muslim employees to offer Salah. Because in Malaysia, Islam is the federal religion. And by law, no one can prevent a Muslim from praying at the prayer time. And I'm aware of this. There may be some stray cases here and there, but as a general rule, all the non-Muslims, if they have Muslim employees, they give them time to pray all the 5 times Salah. If during work time, if the Salah is there, they give them time. And if you go in Malaysia, in all the malls, even the malls owned by non-Muslim, they have a special place for prayer, which we call as Musalla. In Malay, they call it Asra. Even if you go to non-Muslim offices. No, I had gone to IKEA. IKEA is owned by non-Muslim. Because IKEA is very big, they have a very big surah or a Musalla, where many people can pray together at the same time, separate for ladies, separate for gents. Now you are telling me that your non-Muslim owner doesn't give you time. It is very rare, but if it's a rare case, my request to you would be that you can very well inform the religious authority of Selangor, or you can inform JAKIM, and inshallah, it will not take long for them to convince or to see to it that a non-Muslim owner allows you to pray. First of all, it is difficult for me to believe that, but if it's happening, you can very well complain, and this will not happen. Coming to your question, can you pray at 12 o'clock Dhuhr Salah? No. Dhuhr Salah, now I'm in Putrajaya, Dhuhr Salah is at about 1 p.m. 12 minutes. So in Selangor difference maybe 2-3 minutes. So surely it will be close to 1:05 or 1:10 or 1:15, between 1:05 and 1:15. You cannot pray at 12 o'clock 1 hour early. No, it's not possible. It's not accepted. Similarly, you can't pray Asr Salah. Asr Salah here is at 4:35. In Selangor it will be 5 minutes plus minus. You cannot pray 1.5 hours earlier. It's not permitted. So you have to pray on time, whatever time, and pray as early as possible. You can very well go in Jamaat. So if your non-Muslim owner is really preventing you, you can surely complain, and inshallah, it will be very soon that you will be allowed to pray. And I pray and I hope that inshallah you pray on time your Dhuhr Salah as well as Asr Salah. If you pray in Jamaat, that is the best. Hope that answers the question.